The number one way to stay trapped in your practice is to believe that no one else can do it quite like you can. And you're right. Nobody does it exactly like you. But here's what's also true. Your way isn't the only way that works. I've watched brilliant practitioners stay burnt out for years because they couldn't accept that their team's version was different but still effective. And that perfectionism is expensive. And that is what costs you your freedom. The practices that become independent all made the same decision. They chose progress over perfection. They let their teams do things 80% as well as they could. And you know what? Patients were fine. Actually, they were better off because the owner wasn't exhausted. Your clinical expertise is irreplaceable, but your admin work, your scheduling, your patient education, those can be done by trained people following your systems. Let go of the idea that it has to be perfect. Let go of the idea that it has to be your way. And the moment that you do, you will be free.